A sighting delivery from Spawn Cycles.
What is it?
Mountain bike.
You excited?
Thank you, Spawn. We're gonna go get this tires tubeless. Going to build my new bike. Today we're gonna build my 22-inch Rokkusuta by Spawn Cycles.
What color did you get?
Neon sand with pink.
Nice. So what do you think we should do first?
Unwrap it.
Unwrap it? Okay.
I need scissors. Vroom, vroom, vroom. So we took it back to the shop and we got the wheels tubeless. So now we just need to put the front tire on.
What else do we have to do?
Put the handlebars on.
And what else? What else is missing?
Seat.
Seat? Anything else?
Pegs. I forget what it's called.
Pedals?
Yeah, pedals. I'm taking the stem off to get the handlebars on. So I'm unscrewing the bolts.
Good job. Do you want to put them in my hand?
Now I'm putting the bolts back on. We're getting the wheel ready. Now I'm putting the front wheel in. So the brake rotor needs to go with the brake pads. So let's put it in.
What do you need to hold the wheel in?
Axle. Time to put the seat in. Putting the pedals on the bike. So the seat's too long because that metal thing's there. So we need to cut the seat post. The seat post is getting cut, and I kind of want to do a lap on my bike.
Without the seat?
Without the seat.
I don't know. How does it feel?
It feels fun, but I just want to loosen. I want to put those more down.
You want to put your levers a little bit down?
Yeah.
How does the bike feel?
It's really nice. Not lying. I just need to loosen these down and then tighten it back up.
Is that good? Right there?
Yep. So I got the seat cut, and I think it's gonna fit in perfect now. It's a little short. Perfect. I'm gonna go do a lap.
You need a helmet.
This is my 22-inch. That's my 20-inch. The frame's the same size. The wheels are different. So the next side, and that was getting a bit bit small, so the next size was a 24, but I got a 22 because Spawn's the only one who makes it. Because 24 was too big for me. This one fits me perfect. See? The 20-inch still fits me, but it's getting a bit small, but the 22-inch fits me perfect. The 24-inch would have been too big. So we're lucky Spawn makes a 22-inch. For kids who are a bit too big for the 20-inch and a bit too small for the 24-inch. Mom, you take my 20, I'm going to take my 22 and go hit the trails. This is my new bike. I want my new bike. Thank you, Spawn. Thanks for watching.